Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to put music on Facebook bio. To start the process, open your Facebook application on your mobile device. Then tap on Profile icon on your top right corner. Now tap on your username. Here, tap on the three dots next to the Edit Profile. After that, tap on Search. Then tap on Music. Now tap on that music. To access the options for music, tap on the three dots next to the music. Then tap on the plus icon. Now select any song from here. Tap on that song. Then tap on Select. Now go back and tap on View As. Due to privacy concerns, the screen will turn black. However, if you check your profile, the music will be displayed in your bio. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.